entire hills are on fire.
We have an extremely dangerous situation developing here in Southern California as people are racing to evacuate their homes as a wildfire explodes in Pacific Palisades. There was a major traffic jam forcing people to abandon their cars on the road and run toward the coast for safety. What you're seeing here is a picture from the airport. You could see how much the smoke was blanketing the city of Los Angeles. And here is an idea of the fire that they are dealing with. And then you could see those flames shooting into the sky in this neighborhood. In just a matter of hours, the fire consumed nearly 800 acres of the most expensive land and property in this country. Weather conditions described as life-threatening, destructive, and widespread. The National Weather Service warning of extremely critical fire danger as Southern California experiences the worst wind event in over a decade. Millions of people from Simi Valley to Chula Vista are under a red flag warning and other alerts as this extreme windstorm is bringing hurricane force gusts to the West Coast. And this is what is happening in this moment.